Amazon purchase is very dear to my heart because this is one of the reasons why I don't do a lot of hairstyles. A lot of certain hairstyles I don't do because I can't see the back of my head. So I kept saying I have to find a solution. There has to be something. I thought about getting a little mirror that you can get from like IKEA. I need something that I can move around with me. That's when I went on Amazon. Any and everything that I get from Amazon, I always provide the link in the description box. I found the Cosmic mirror. Supposed to be 3 mirrors. Here's the charger for the lights, because it do have lights. There's 2 different kinds. There's one with the lights and there's one without the lights. So I think the one with the lights were like a few dollars extra. So it has this. I'm not too sure what this is for. So the directions seem pretty easy. This is the box. It's not big at all. And then back here, well, it was like this. But right here are the hooks. And then you can adjust it. So, open it. Okay, and this is the mirrors. Okay, so let me see, I'm gonna adjust it to where I can see. Oh, heck yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna actually do a hair demonstration. Y'all, I didn't do nothing to my hair. I'm on here talking to y'all looking crazy by the head. But I'm gonna try to do 2 ponytails because it was something as simple as that I could not do correctly. So I'm gonna take this off. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna push this button. Let's see. This is where the lights will be. Clearly it's not charged or else it would have came on. It better come on. I'm gonna charge it and then I'll see what it look like. This is also I like this because I'm also able to see when I do my hair, because when I'm wetting y'all up, sorry. Because when I do my hair videos, I'm like facing the camera and I'm like this. I'm using the camera as my mirror. And so now when I do my videos, I have a mirror that I can use because, you know, there's no mirror in my room. I'm giving y'all a 2-for-1. I'm giving you an unboxing and review and also a hair tutorial, okay? I love y'all. So this is the final results. I made a whoopsie, as you can see. I guess when I did this ponytail, I grabbed some of this side. I should have been checking. I do love this. I love that I can, if I want, I can leave it right here and just close it. I can put it up high. I don't know, I thought this was like a case for the mirror, but it's actually a cover. So like when you do your hair and stuff, I like that. I definitely give this a thumbs up. Guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.